provided the three masses. If you cut the uppermost string, then what will be acceleration of the three objects immediately after cutting the string, uppermost string? Okay, so tension first here, the tension in the lowermost part, the tension here is, it will be 20 Newton because it is supporting the 2 kg block. Okay, now if we consider this one, the tension here will be 3 plus 2, 5 kg. It is supporting total 5 kg, so 50 Newton. And this one, the tension was, since it is supporting 4 plus 3 plus 2, 9 kg, so it is 90 Newton. So the tension in the three part is given. Now after cutting the string, uppermost string, what will be the new tension? So upper tension is 0, only on MC, upper tension is 0 because that is cut. Now we have spring force, that is 50 Newton, and we have a weight of that block. So that is how much? Weight 40 kg. So 4 kg into G. So that is 40 Newton. Okay. So these are the two forces acting on the block. So what will be acceleration? So acceleration will be 50 plus 40 divided by its weight is 4. Okay, mass is 4. So 90 by 4. So 90 by 4 means 22.5 meter per second square down, because all the forces are down. Okay, this much we are going to get. Now for MB, if you see, for MB, what are the different forces acting? For MB, there is a downward force, that is 50 Newton from the spring. Oh, sorry, not downward. So MB is here. So upward force 50 Newton. Upward force 50 Newton. Upward force 50 Newton. Okay. And downward force 20 Newton. This is tension. On MB, upward force 50 Newton and downward force 20 Newton. So downward force 20 Newton. Then its weight. How much is its weight? Weight is 3 kg, corresponding to 3 kg. So that is 3 kg into G. So that is 30 Newton. So total, how much is the force acting on B? 50, 20, 30. So all are balanced. So A is 0. So on B, the forces are balanced. So A is 0. Similarly for A, again it will be balanced because T1 is how much? T1 is 20 and minus MAG. So that is what? 0. How it is 0? 20 minus 2 into 10. So that is 0. So acceleration of A is also 0. So B and A will have 0 acceleration. But C will have downward acceleration 22.5 meter per second square. Okay. So why they are having 0 acceleration? Because the force from upper side through the spring is still acting on this. The spring immediately does not get compressed. The spring gets compressed after some time. So immediately after cutting, the spring is still able to support these lower blocks. It is still providing the required tension for supporting these two masses. Okay. So that's why they are having 0 acceleration.